Hello, in this video we're gonna check if SONY Xperia 1.4 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all speakers on this device, and we can see both of them right now. The one is on the bottom right here and the other is right here on the top. So this one usually works as a phone call speaker, and this one works as our main speaker. Now we're gonna play some music and cover the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from one source, this means it has a mono speaker. If the sound is coming from both of the speakers, this means phone has a stereo speaker. So let's try that. So I can already confirm that this phone has a stereo speaker, as the sound was clearly coming from both of the sources. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.